Greetings YouTube, and I hope you're well. The name of the video is how to remove Sharpie from your whiteboard. So I'm gonna go ahead and and put a square on here with my Sharpie. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put a circle right here with my dry erase marker. Now as you notice, I have a little rag. It's got a little spray on it. As you can see, that square will not come off there. It won't rub off. It won't, no matter how much I rub it, it will not come off. But did you know, if you took your Expo marker and you trace over very carefully what you've drawn up here before, go right over it. You might have to do it once or twice, but if you go over this very carefully, there is a chemical in here that will actually remove the Sharpie. We'll go ahead and finish up right here. Get a rag. Like I said, there may be a shadow of it. Go back, just go right back over it. I've been told that 90% isopropanol alcohol will do the same thing. It'll take Sharpie right off of it. Let's see what happens. Oh, and there you have it. How to remove Sharpie from your whiteboard. I'd like to give a shout out to my brother Tony for the whiteboard. Thank you very much. You made this video possible.